Yo, this boy, Transformer 200S. Comment down below which I should play. The ones I have here. Comment down below. If I hit 50 subscribers, I will go live. And I will put my friend's YouTube channels down in the description below. And comment down below. Hashtag Booyakasha! And have an awesome, fantastical, amazing day. And right now, I'm just waiting for my friend, Matthew. And the CB called me. But my goal is to get to 10 million subscribers or more to get my diamond play button. Please subscribe. And right now my controller is being a pain in the butt. This way, it goes the opposite way. Yep, that's my game background. Yeah, this thing likes to be a pain in the booty. Yeah. Why do games? Because right now my controller's being a pain in the butt. And have an awesome, fantastic day wherever you guys live.